I'm Marcus Lee, VP of Business Operations at CloneForce. Here's something that might surprise you. Sales reps spend 66% of their time on non-selling activities like data entry. That's 2/3 of their day lost to clicking through screens and filling out forms. Today, I'm showing you how to reclaim 20 to 30% of that time using 6 Salesforce Operator Skills that transform your CRM from a database you manage into a conversation you have. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to automate your daily Salesforce work and get back to what matters: building relationships and closing deals. Let's start with what Salesforce operators actually are. Think of them as headless execution agents that speak plain English. Instead of navigating multiple screens and clicking through menus, you simply tell your clone what you need. Create an account for Acme Corp. Update the Microsoft deal to negotiation stage. Find all open cases from this week. The operator interprets your request, maps it to the correct Salesforce actions, and executes everything behind the scenes while maintaining full auditability and governance. CloneForce provides 6 core operators that cover your complete CRM lifecycle from lead capture through customer support. Each one is designed for a specific object type and workflow. The SalesforceAccountOperator manages your company records. This is your B2B foundation. It creates and updates account records with built-in duplicate prevention, finds accounts by name or domain, adds notes, and provides analytics summaries. Here's a pro tip. The website domain is your most reliable identifier. Searching for Salesforce.com returns accurate results, while searching for Salesforce might match dozens of partial names. When creating accounts, always include the website URL and industry classification. The operator automatically checks for existing records before creating duplicates, which prevents data fragmentation. Real-world use case. Imagine you just returned from a trade show with 50 company names. Instead of manually entering each one, you can bulk create all 50 accounts in minutes. The Salesforce Contact Operator handles individual people within those accounts. Email-based searches are the single most reliable way to find a specific person in Salesforce. When creating contacts, you must associate them with an account. You cannot create orphan contacts. Here's the pattern. Create contact Jane Doe at Acme Corp. Email jane@acme.com. Title VP Sales. The operator can update job titles, phone numbers, and roles, add timestamped notes to contact records, and safely delete contacts with confirmation prompts. Sales teams use this extensively during conference follow-ups, when they need to quickly add dozens of new contacts with proper account linkage and role assignments. The SalesforceLeadOperator manages early-stage prospects who haven't been qualified yet. It creates leads with proper assignment rules, updates lead statuses as they progress through qualification, and most importantly, converts leads into full account contact opportunity records when they're sales ready. Here's the SalesforceLeadOperator. Update lead interface showing exactly how this works. The conversion process is critical. Convert lead sam@contoso.com to an opportunity named Contoso Pilot, amount 50,000, stage, qualification. That single command transforms a prospect into an active deal. Marketing teams use this for campaign management, automatic lead scoring updates, and lead source attribution. The Salesforce Opportunity Operator drives your revenue operations. Here's the Salesforce Operators. Manage Opportunities in Tasks view, showing how it manages your full deal lifecycle. It handles creation with required fields like account, opportunity name, amount, stage, and close date. It manages stage progression updates, assigns contact roles, and closes deals as won or lost. Many organizations enforce contact role requirements, meaning deals cannot progress without identifying key stakeholders like decision makers, influencers, and economic buyers. Here's the pattern. Create opportunity for Acme Corp. Name Q2 renewal. Amount 120,000. Stage discovery. Close date March 31st, 2026. Sales operations teams use this for forecast updates, pipeline reviews, and bulk stage changes after major events like pricing adjustments or competitive shifts. The Salesforce Case Operator powers your customer service and support workflows. It creates support tickets, updates case status and priority, adds case comments for audit trails, and searches cases by keywords, date ranges, or account. Case numbers provide the most precise identifier. Update case number 00001234. Status equals working, priority equals high. Support managers use this for bulk reassignments during shift changes, SLA compliance checks, and trend analysis on common issues. The search capability is particularly powerful. Search cases mentioning billing error in the last 14 days surfaces systemic problems that need process fixes rather than individual resolutions. The Salesforce Activity Operator manages the daily action items that drive all your other processes forward. It creates tasks and events, updates due dates and priorities, links activities to any Salesforce record, searches historical activities, exports activity reports to CSV, and sends reminders. Task creation follows this pattern. Create a task. Follow up on Acme renewal, due Friday, high priority. Link to opportunity Acme Q2 renewal. Event scheduling is equally straightforward. Schedule meeting with Jane Doe and John Smith, Tuesday, 2 to 3 p.m. Link to Acme account and the renewal opportunity. Here's the Salesforce operators. Create contact, account, and opportunity interface, showing how activities connect across multiple records. Activity operators excel at bulk task creation after conferences, weekly pipeline review prep, and historical activity analysis for rep productivity metrics. Now let's talk about getting the best results. Effective use requires understanding 4 key pieces of information for every request: the object type, the action, a unique identifier, and the specific fields to modify. When you don't know the identifier, use email for contacts and leads, domain for accounts, or the Salesforce record ID as your universal fallback. The real power comes from chaining multiple operators. Here's an example. We met Jane Doe at Acme. Create the account if needed, create the contact, create an opportunity Acme pilot $50,000, close date March 15 in qualification stage, and log a task for me to follow up next Tuesday. That single natural language request replaces 20 minutes of manual clicking and data entry. Here's what I want you to do. Start with one operator this week. Pick the one that addresses your biggest pain point. If you're drowning in account setup, use the account operator. If pipeline updates take forever, use the opportunity operator. These 6 operators replace hours of clicking with seconds of conversation. The CloneForce team is here to support you as you transform your daily operations. Remember, every hour you save on data entry is an hour you can invest in your customers. That's operational excellence through automation. Get started today.